In this video, we will learn how to find consumer data using Mintel. Please note that Mintel provides consumer data at an industry level instead of on specific companies or brands. You can use Mintel to discover how different demographics are using product categories and types of services. We will begin on the Company and Industry Information Library Guide, though you can also access Mintel through the University Library's A to Z Databases page. From the Library Guide, click on the tab that says Industries. A link to Mintel can be found in the boxes for Industry Profile/Reports and Industry Statistics. When you click on the link to Mintel, you should be redirected to a web page on permissions and prohibitions. Click the checkbox that says, I acknowledge these permissions and prohibitions, then click on the green Continue button. This should send you to the Mintel homepage. To find consumer reports with demographic data, navigate to the drop-down box that says Content Types, then select Reports from the drop-down menu. You can filter reports by category, such as beauty and personal care, or technology and media, region, or demographics. You may also be able to find reports that mention your specific company by typing the company's name in the search bar on the left, then clicking the search icon. Mintel's reports include both data tables and expert analysis. The report begins with a brief summary of key issues, which you should look over to ensure that the report contains data relevant to your research. The executive summary contains a more detailed overview of the report, including key takeaways on consumer trends. You can navigate through the rest of the report using the pop-out menu on the left. Reports typically include market information, consumer insights, and competitive strategies for marketers. You can also click on the Consumer Data tab to open the interactive data book for the report. Here, all data from the report can be viewed in graph and table format. If you would like additional help navigating Mintel, please reach out to the university libraries via email, phone, or chat. You can also schedule a one-on-one individual research appointment with a university librarian.